Hello, my name is Shelley with APITech, and today we're going to talk about our high-temperature electronic solutions. These are designed specifically for harsh and extreme environments. Most of the consumer electronics we use in our daily lives are designed to operate over specific temperature ranges, and this is normally limited to about 70 degrees Celsius. But what happens when you need electronics to function reliably at much higher temperatures? For example, with oil drilling, on a satellite, or inside the engine of a fighter jet. In fact, there are many instances where electronics must survive not only extreme temperatures, but also massive shock, vibration, and pressure environments. These require APITech's high-temperature electronic solutions. But it's not just electronics that need to be able to survive these harsh environments. The packaging that houses the components also needs to be able to withstand the unforgiving environments they will be subjected to. How do we do this? APITech has a strong heritage of providing technologies for the space, energy, aerospace, and defense markets. And our products can satisfy standard, high, extreme high, and ultra-high temperature environments. Let's take a closer look at some markets where high-temperature solutions can be used. When drilling for oil and gas, where temperature ranges can be extreme to say the least, it's critical that the wells are able to be monitored at all times. That's why we provide custom microelectronic solutions to reduce unnecessary and costly downtime due to the failure of short lifetime electronics. This includes measurement while drilling, logging while drilling, and wireline and intelligent completions equipment. Our product solutions are specifically designed to fit down 1-inch tubes to provide an ideal solution for small diameter tools operating at depth. For military applications, let's consider combat aircraft. These operate at extremely high temperatures, pressures, and speeds. Being able to monitor the engine effectively can help to reduce fuel consumption, reduce maintenance costs, and improve overall engine management. But to get the most out of this monitoring, the electronic components need to be placed near the engine. By using APITech's hybrid multi-chip modules, measuring equipment can be placed closer to the engine, and this increases the accuracy of the data that's collected. Commercial aerospace is another industry that depends on APITech's wide range of custom-designed solutions, each of which helps to increase efficiency and reduce maintenance cost. For example, our specialized components are able to improve the performance of engine monitoring and fuel efficiency, which leads to the reduction of the carbon footprint of travel. Also unique to APITech, we have our own independent UCAS-accredited test facility. This highly accredited facility holds DLA laboratory suitability approval for performing tests in accordance with MIL Standard 883, MIL PRF 38534, and accreditation to ISO 17025. Our test house is equipped with screening equipment to replicate the toughest, most challenging environments in order to test products to the limits of endurance. Wherever there's a need for high-temperature electronic components to perform reliably and effectively, APITech has a range of solutions that thrive in the harshest of environments, from under the sea to outer space and everywhere in between.